Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today, after 40 days in Port Blair, it's my last evening at Port Blair, of course. And I thought I'll come for fishing with Captain VV Singh.
We are flushing him out, not fishing him out.
So we are planning an evening of nice fishing, and I hope we catch something. So anything about yourself?
I just came after 5 hours of flying, and today is Sanjit's last day here in Port Blair. I thought let me spend a good evening with him and probably catch some fish and share the photographs with you guys.
So let's see guys, let's see how it goes.
Let's cast.
So we are on Chatham Bridge actually, and sir has already started casting. We are using chicken as bait, and he has a whole box of bait actually. I'll show it to you. This is actually sir's whole box of stuff that he carries, and he has a whole collection of it. So
these are the jewels.
yeah, so he has collected it over time, and
Most of them from Cabela, USA.
yeah, so he's a traveler, as you know, and he's been collecting these baits and lures and all these things.
Hooks, spinners.
Yep. So let's see what we catch today. We are using chicken as bait for now. So it's been an hour into our fishing spree. Both of us haven't caught anything yet, but we'll spend a few hours more out here. And let's see, we have changed the sides though. Last time we were over there on that side of the bridge. Now we're on this side. So it's almost 8 now, and unluckily there's an issue with my reel of my rod, and that is why I'm just putting it like this, just straight in. with whatever line I have left. I'm just putting it straight in out here. The tide has picked up and I hope I'll catch something now. So any luck? Any luck?
It's been almost 1 hour and we've been trying. The tide is changing. Talk to local fishermen. They say you change your bait from chicken to small sardine fish. We did that also. When I asked them, they say earlier they used to get a lot of fish here because now water has become dirty and because of presence of the other big yachts and boats and floating docks, the fish rush to that place because I believe what they say is that wherever there is extra light in the night, the fish that they get attracted to that side, that place. So what they recommend is for me to go to the floating dock and fish from there. Maybe on Sunday I'll go and try my luck from the floating dock.
Sir, you have made a new friend also, right?
Yeah.
So he is a new expert on fishing. Sir made a new acquaintance over here. तो भैया क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे?
क्या मैं कुकर ये कपातर नहीं
अच्छा
जाल से मिलेगा कपातर नहीं
जाल से मिलता है। अच्छा आपको अभी क्या मिलता है?
उसमें टिकली मच्छी
हाँ
टिकली
वो छोटे छोटे मछलियाँ मिलता है ना यहाँ पे। अच्छा आप यहीं पे आते हो करने के लिए? And sir, how's your evening going?
Bad luck, man. Thank God I didn't trade in stock, otherwise I would have made losses. Anyway, the thing is, the time spent with friends is really good.
Yes, sir.
And that's what wealth is all about.
Surely, sir,
Fish
sure.
catching, not catching doesn't make a difference. Time you spend together, that's what matters.
Surely,
Each day is
sir.
important. Today we flew a flight where we carried a coffin in our helicopter. And I was reading the papers of that guy who had died. He was Mr. Lobo, a 57-year-old guy. And I said, look at this guy, 57, died, and I'm 59, and I'm flying his body to his destination. I think the best thing I could have done is taken him to his hometown and where he got buried peacefully. So I think the blessings keep continuing and always karma takes you wherever you want to. Always believe in blessings. Do good, be good.
Surely. So
यहाँ पर फिर कुकर बड़ा वाला मच्छी मिलेगा।
अच्छा
हाँ
कोकारिया मिलेगा?
हाँ और चंकर मच्छी
हमको कब मिलेगा? हमको कब मिलेगा?
आपको मिलेगा हमको भी मिलेगा।
Okay, we have a company on the line who is giving company to all the
आप जरा दिखा सकते हैं आपको क्या मिला अभी?
दिखे
नहीं दिख रहा।
दिख रहा।
हाँ हाँ दिख रहा। अच्छा ये इसका नाम क्या है इस मछली का?
75।
75। अच्छा 3 मछली मिल गया आपको आज। Guys, that's it. I'm back in my room, and that was my last evening here in Port Blair. Not you can't say it's the last. I would be coming back here in the future soon. But yeah, it is my 40th day out here in Port Blair, and it has been an amazing time. Ended it with some fishing, though we caught nothing. After spending a few hours there, we caught nothing, but yeah, it is fine. We had fun. So that's it, guys. I hope you have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.